everyone. So let us start our class. So till exercise 6.2 we have discussed. So let us start exercise 6.3. Okay. So before starting 6.3, in 6.3 we have to prove mostly in every question that the triangles are similar. So to prove two triangles similar, there are three properties you can say. The first property is what? A. Angle, angle, angle property. Okay. If you prove in the two triangles that if the corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles will be what? Similar. Already in the first part of the chapter 6 I have said, okay, this angle property, if the two triangles has to be similar, then this angle property must be true. Okay, so this is the first property. Say this is a triangle and this is a triangle A B C D E F, then this angle should be equal to what? This angle A should be equal to angle D, angle B will be equal to what? Its corresponding angle is what? With angle B, angle E, and then angle C will be equal to what? Angle F. So if you get this, then what you can say? Therefore triangle A B C, this is the symbol of what? Similar. Okay, this was the symbol of what? Congruence, right? So this you don't write. Congruent means what? That one side will be equal. Okay, so that part will not come. And triangle what? DEF. Understood? Okay, so what is the next? Next one is just sub of this. If you can show if only two angles, corresponding angles are equal, then immediately the third angle will also be equal. Understood? Say in these two triangle only, say this is the triangle, same thing, A, B, C and D, E, F. If you can show angle A is equal to angle D, say for example this one, and any one, say for example angle C is equal to angle F, then also the triangle will be what? Similar. Triangle A, B, C is similar to what? Triangle D, E, F. Understood? This is what property? Angle property. By what? How this is coming true? By the angle sum property. If two corresponding angles are equal, then the third one, anyhow it will be equal by the angle sum property. Okay, sum of all the angles 180 degree. Over here also sum of all the angles 180 degree. This equal cancel, it will get what will remain? That angle B equal to angle A. Means in short what I am saying, you can show 3 equal, they are also similar. If in any question you cannot show 3 equal, if you can show only 2 equal, then also by angle property what will happen? That will also be similar. Understood? Okay, next, okay, done. This was for angles. Okay, you have to show either 3 angles equal, or if you can show 2 angles equal also. Now let us see the next question. Sorry, not question. Let us see the next law. The next law is what? SSS. SSS. But over here, corresponding sides are not equal. Okay, in similars, sides will be what? Proportional. I have said now in the first class, sides will be proportional. So say this is ABC. And this is what? This is DEF. This is ABC, this is triangle DEF. Now AB will not be equal to DE, okay? It can be sometimes, but every time it will not be equal. So what we will show in SSS, that if AB by DE, is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF, then we can say what? Then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Understood? So we will show what? The sides are proportional. In case of angles, we have to show that the angles are equal, but in case of side, we will not show that the sides are equal. We will show rather what? That the sides are what? Proportional. So this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2, like that. Okay. If you can show this one, then also your triangles will be what? Similar. Okay, understood? So what is the last property we will use? This is also very important property. Okay, always you will not get two angles equal like that. Okay, and always you will not get all the sides proportional. So the third one is SAS. SAS, side angle side. So what it is saying that what it is saying over here, clearly you can see there are two S. So two sides will be proportional. Okay. Say for example this side and this side. So what is the corresponding side of these two sides? Simple, this side and this side, right? If these two sides are proportional, say for example AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, then we have to show one angle equal. That angle will be what? The angle between these two sides. Remember, this angle should stay between these two sides. Okay. So this angle and what? This angle. Then only it will become what? Similar. Understood? Then you can say what? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This thing is important. That angle should lie between the two sides. Say for example, this is the triangle and these two sides are what? We will show, okay, that they are proportional. These two sides means we will show what? AB by DE will be equal to what? BC by EF. These two sides. So what is the angle between them? The angle is what? This angle B and angle E, right? So we will have to show what? Angle B will be equal to angle E. If you can show, then you can say again triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. But if you cannot show this angle, say for example, say for example you have shown these two sides are proportional, okay, these two sides, this side, this side, this side, this side. But you have shown that angle C is equal to angle F. Angle C is equal to angle F. Now angle C is not lying between this side and angle F is not lying between this side. So you cannot say that the triangles are what? Similar. Understood? So these are the properties we will use to solve the exercise, okay, to show that the triangles are similar. Now one more thing that I will say. Basic thing, this one is very basic thing. Say this is a triangle, this is another triangle, A, B, C, D, E, F, okay. Say I have said angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, okay. Now what I am saying, then you have to write like this only, okay, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Means whichever angles you will write at first, that triangle will come at first. You cannot write this way, it is wrong, okay. That triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. You have to write, this is the proper way of writing, okay, understood? You will write always that triangle first, whose angle you have written at first, understood? Okay, this thing done. Similarly for this I will say again, if you have written, okay, if you have written like this, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. If you have written the sides of this triangle above, then this triangle will stay at first, okay. And if you have written the sides of this triangle below, so this triangle will stay in the second. You cannot write like this, okay. If you want to write like this, then you have to write what? That DE by AB, this side will be in the up, okay, in the numerator. Then EF by BC, and then DF by what? AC. If you write this triangle first, then this side should stay at the numerator, understood? Okay, so this was one thing. One more thing, okay. Now we always have a habit, what? We always write A, B, C, A at the top. We always write this one, okay. This is our habit. And when we write DEF, we always write D at the top. And when we write PQR, we always write P at the top. This is a habit that we have. We always write A over here, then B, then C, like this, okay. Say for example, I am saying this is 20 degree. Okay, the value of this angle is how much? 20 degree. This is 20 degree. Now say that this value is how much? 30 degree. This value is 20 degree. And this value 30, 40, 50. 130, right? So 130. This is an acute angle triangle actually. Say just example. Okay, this is just an example. Say I am just considering a degree. Say this is 50 degree. This is not true. This cannot be 30, 20, 50. This is not true. Okay, but just an example I am giving. And say this is 20. Okay, and this is 20 na. Then this is 50. This is 50. This is 20. One more. What is that? 50, 50. And this is what? This is 30. Okay, some mistake I have done. I think this is 20. So 50. 20. 30 should go up. So this is 30. And so this is what? 50 degree. Okay. So say this is an example. This angle is 20 degree. This angle is 50 degree. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 20 degree. This angle is 50 degree. Okay. So simple one example I have taken. This is not true. This like this angle you will never get in a triangle. Okay. But say for example, now you see angle A is equal to what? Angle D or what? It is not equal to angle D. It is equal to what? Angle E. Understood? Angle A is equal to angle E. Clearly, okay? Then angle B is equal to what? Angle B, this 50 degree is equal to angle F. Okay? And angle C is equal to what? Angle D. So now you cannot write like that. That triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now it is true, right? Angle, angle, angle. So the triangles are similar. Yes, the triangles are similar, but this way you cannot write. So how you have to write? A you have written at first, okay? So triangle A, B you have written at second, C you have written at last. So triangle ABC will be similar to, with A, which angle is equal? Angle E is equal. So E will come at first, F will come at second, and D will go at last. So triangle ABC is similar to what? Triangle EFD. This is the correct way of writing. This way you cannot write. Similarly, you cannot write like this also, that AB by DE will be equal to what? BC by EF will be equal to AC by DF. This is also wrong. You cannot write like that. How you have to write? You have to write how? That angle A is equal to what? Angle E. Better you have to now rotate the triangle. You make the triangle alignment correct. Okay, this alignment is wrong. This alignment is what? This alignment is wrong, right? So you make the alignment correct at first. So what will be the alignment? See, over here, I can rotate this one now. Over here, what is there? 20 degree is at top, right? 20 degree is at top. So I will rotate the triangle like that. Understood? This triangle I will rotate like that. Then what will happen? Then this 20 degree will go at top. Means what? E will come here. This, if I rotate this one like this, F will come here. Means this 50 degree will come here. And if I rotate this 30 degree will go where? Over here down. Means F came here and D came here. Now the alignment is correct. 20, 20, 50, 50, 30, 30. Understood? So now I can write AB by what? EF is equal to AB by EF, BC by FD will be equal to AC by ED. This is the correct way of writing. Okay, understood? So these two things you keep in mind. The alignment should be true. Okay, if it is saying with A it is equal to E, then if A is at first, then E will also stay at first. Understood? This is the rule. Simple rule. Where whatever is the position of A over here, same position this angle will also take. Okay. You can, this thing you can find from here also. See, AB by EF, first two, okay, AB by EF. This one second and third, DC by FD. Then first and third, AC by ED. So you can find from here also. So this is a simple trick. Now this is a simple trick for all of you, which you can apply in the exercise. What? If in any question, remember what I am saying. If in any question, in the given part, say in the question it is given as, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle, say QPR, it is given in the question, okay. If it is given, then only it is true. Then you can apply one technique. What technique is that? Now you know that, okay, the book has given what? That with triangle ABC, QPR is similar. So that means what I can see, that angle A should be equal to angle Q. This angle will be equal to this angle, or not. Whatever position it will take, it will also take the same position. In the book they have to say that it is similar. If in the book it is not said, then you cannot take this chance, okay. This trick will only apply if in the question it is given. Then you can also say that angle B will be equal to angle P. Then you can also say that angle B will be equal to angle P, this one. And you can also say that angle C will be equal to what? Angle R. So by this technique, without looking in the diagram, you can say from here only that angle B will be equal to angle Q, angle C will be equal to angle R. Simply then after that you look the diagram and you say whether they are alternate angle, whether they are vertically opposite angle, whether they are equal to 90 degree or whatever, okay. By looking here only you can say. Similarly, by looking here only you can say that AB, if I write at first AB, it will be equal to what? QP. First two. If I take BC, I will take PR. And if I take A and C, I will take what? Q and R. Understood? This is the simple thing, okay. Now if I write in place of AC, you see, okay, these small things. If I write in place of AC, if I write CA, how I have written CA, this one, then this one, then over also here you will write R, then Q. Remember this thing, these things are very important, okay. If you write CA, then you have to write RQ. Okay, now we can start the exercise. Remember this small thing, okay. The position of the angles is always same. If A is at first, then over here Q is at first. That means angle A is equal to angle Q. You cannot say that angle A will be equal to angle R. Never it will be equal, okay. The position will always be correct. So while writing, you write in the correct order. In the book, if it is given, they will definitely write in the correct order. You can use this trick then. In the book, they will always write in the correct order. So directly you can apply this trick, okay. Okay, let us start the exercise. Now you see question number 1, a very simple question you can do by yourself only. I am not going to discuss question number 1. Number 1, what is given? State which of the pair of triangles are similar. Write the similarity criterion used, okay. You have to say for what reason they are similar. Answering the question, and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. And at the last you have to write what? In the symbolic form, okay. So you can do by yourself. Diagram number 1 you see, 60 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 80 degree, 40 degree, 40 degree, okay. So everything is given, right? That means what? With angle A, that means they are similar, angle, okay. First thing, they are similar. Now second thing is what? You have to write in symbolic form, okay. So with angle A, I will write, say, first one I am writing a triangle ABC. No problem to write the first one. Now second one, you match. With angle A, what is equal? Angle P is equal or not? Then with angle B, angle Q is equal. This is very simple. Triangle ABC is what? Similar to triangle PQ. Write the criterion angle, and angle. Simple thing. You can do this one by yourself only. One more I am showing. What is given? ABC. This time sides are given. So you have to check the proportionality, okay, whether they are proportional or not. Okay. No need to draw the triangle like that only. Okay. Anyway, you can draw the triangle. In the book, if it is given a right angle triangle, then no need to draw like right angle triangle. Any just simple two triangles you draw. Okay. No need to draw. Okay. I will also not draw. So no need to draw right angle triangle. Simple triangle you draw too. Because now you will check. Okay. Proportional. There is nothing to do that if it is in the book. If it is given right angle, you have to draw also right angle. Like that thing is not there. Okay. So now you check. This AB. I will check AB by what? This side. Okay. 2 by what? 6. What is 2 by 6? Okay, I am writing only. At first I will check what? AB by what? PQ. Okay. AB by PQ. What is AB by PQ? 2 by 6, right? 2 by 6 is how much? 1 by 3. Okay. Then I will check what? Say BC by QR. What is BC by QR? This is 2.5 by 4. For a while, keep it like that only. Okay. For a while, let us see another one. Next one will be what? AC by PR. AC by PR is what? 3 by 5. Now this one, though, very clearly we can say that these two are first and last is not matching. Okay. If it is not matching, then what? They are not similar. Don't make this mistake. Okay. Sometimes they will flip the triangle. So you directly cannot say that they are not similar. Okay. The triangle alignment is not correct. You have to check the alignment at first. So now we will check the alignment. Okay. See 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. So I am getting an alignment. Okay. Slight alignment I am getting. So I will flip this triangle. I will rotate this triangle. Okay. This Q will go up. This P will come over here. And this R will go over here. I will rotate this triangle. Okay. Q will go up. P will come here. And R will come what? Over here. Understood? So you name the sides now. Sorry, here keep the value. But PQ is what? PQ is 6. Okay. Then QR is what? 4. QR is what? 4. Okay. And then last PR is what? 5. So this will be what? 5. So done. Okay. So now you see AB by what? QR. AB by what? QR will be what? 2 by 4 will be equal to what? 1 by 2. Done. Next, BC by RP will be equal to what? 2.5 by 5. For a while, keep it like that only. Then next one, last one, AC by AC. If I start with A, I will start with Q only. Okay, QP. Okay, remember this thing. Okay, you have to start like that only. You will not write PQ. Okay, you will write QP only. CA, then PQ. Understood? Okay. So AC is what? 3. And then QP is what? 6. QP is what? 6. Okay. So now solve this one. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. And then 3 2s is what? 6. So 1 by 2. Done. Now again. Now these two are matching, right? So now we will check the third one. Third one should also match. So this is equal to what? Now this is 2.5. So I will remove the point. I will multiply what? 10 over here. And in denominator also what I will multiply? 10. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 25 by 50. 2.5 into 10 is what? 25 or not? Point will go that side directly. We can do 25. Okay. What is 25 by 50? 25 1s are 20. 25 1s are 25. 25 2s are 50. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So they are correct. Their alignment is also correct. So I can say now that triangle ABC, first one you write, no problem. So with AB what will come? QR will come, right? So you write QR. Then with BC what will come? RP will come. So R is there, over here what will come? P. So now you check the last alignment. With AC what will come? QP will come. So this is QP. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP, not PQR. Criterion you write side, side, side. But keep in mind you have to write triangle ABC similar to triangle QRP. Understood? Not PQR. So this way you have to check. Okay. Remember While checking the angle, it is very easy. So the angle diya ase. But while checking the sides, you have to flip the triangle. Okay. Maximum 2 times you have to flip. Then third time again you will get the same shape. One time flip, P over here. Second time flip, P will come here. Third time flip is what? Again P will go up. That figure already will be given in the question. So 2 times you have to flip the diagram. Okay. So this way you do this question. Okay. Question number 1 is up to you. See, number 3 also again sides are given. Again you check like that whether they are similar or not. Number 3 you see 2 sides are given and 1 angle is given. That between angle is given. Okay. So clearly angle is correct. You make the alignment correct. Number 4, question number 4 you see 70 degree is at top. So that second diagram, you take the 70 degree at the top. You rotate that triangle and then you check the alignment whether the alignment is correct or not. Okay. Understood? 5 you try, same thing. Number 6 you see 70 degree and 80 degree and 80 degree and 30 degree. One angle is missing, right? So that angle you have to find. Very simple. By what you will find? By angle sum property. 70 degree plus 80 degree plus that angle will be equal to what? 180 degree. So by that you find that angle. In that triangle also you find that angle. Then you see whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, make the alignment. The alignment should be correct. Okay. Then you write by angle. Number 4 answer will come that they are similar for sure. But you have to find that angle F. Okay. Angle F you have to find and angle P also you have to find. Okay. So this one you do by yourself. Okay, so let us discuss one question. Question number 2. Question number 2. In the figure 6.35, so diagram is given. You draw the diagram. At first draw the diagram. So this is the diagram. So what is given in the question, right? Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. This one is given. Okay, triangle ODC number 2 given. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. See, in the question it is given. Okay. So we will use that technique. That means what? Angle O will be equal to angle O. Angle D will be equal to angle B. And angle C and angle C. Okay. ODC. Sorry, OBA. And angle C is equal to angle A. These things are given in the question only. Okay. You can use this technique. Okay. Next, what is given? Angle BOC is equal to 125. And angle. Find angle DOC. Which one is DOC? This one is DOC. Okay, this angle we have to find. Okay, DOC. Okay, DOC, this angle. Then angle DCO. Which one is DCO? DCO. This angle we have to find. And then at last, which angle? OAB. OAB. Okay, so let us try then. First one is very simple. This angle you have to find. Okay. So in already class 9, chapter 6, angles, what it is? Lines and angles, I think so, no? Chapter 6. You have done, no? This type of question. This is 125. This angle you need to find. So this is a straight line. So this is what? They are linear pair. Okay. So now angle DOC, this angle you have to find, plus angle BOC will be equal to what? 180 degree. Linear pair. In class 9 you have done this type of question. Linear pair. Put the value. What is the angle? What is angle BOC? Angle BOC is 125. Take 125 degree that side. 180 degree minus 125 degree. which implies angle DOC will be equal to what? Over here 5 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 55 degree. Angle DOC will be what? 55 degree. Understood? Got one angle. Let's go for the next angle. Next angle is what? This angle you have got, okay? This angle you have got how much? 55. This angle is how much? 55. Now what will be that angle? See, very simple. That angle is more easy than this one. By what? See, this is a triangle. DOC is what? A triangle. Two angles are given. How will you find the third angle? Just now I have said in question number 1, the last question, how you will do? That you will use the what? Angle sum property to find the last angle or not. So similar way, here also two angles are given. So this angle is what? Inside the triangle, right? This angle is also inside the triangle. So we will use what? The angle sum property we will use. That means now we say again, in triangle DOC, we will say that what? Angle ODC plus angle DCO plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree. You can write if you want angle sum property. Angle sum property. Done. Now put the value. ODC is how much? 70 degree. DCO we will find DCO. DOC is how much? 55 degree. 55 degree is equal to what? 180 degree. What is 70 plus 55? Over here it will become 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 125 degree. Plus angle DCO will be equal to 180 degree. So angle DCO 180 degree minus 125 degree, which implies angle DCO will be equal to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 55 degree. Okay. So this angle is also how much? This angle is also what? 55 degree. Okay. So this is an isosceles triangle. Two angles are equal, right? This is an isosceles triangle. Okay, but that we know it over here, isosceles or whatever it is. Third angle, which angle you have to find? This angle, right? What is this angle? How will we find this angle? How? So see, one more given was given. No, sorry, one more given was there, right? What was that given? That triangle, again, ink is also finished. Okay, so this will be our last question. Again, one more question is given. What? That it's completely finished. Little bit we need actually. Last part is given what? Again, I hope it is visible. Okay, you listen the voice if it is not visible. Again, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Isn't it? It is given. So I said you can use the technique. That means what? I need this angle A, okay? This A is equal to what? This angle with C. So now again this is similar. So therefore I can say angle DCO, no, it is simple, no? That with C which will be equal? A will be equal. That means with this C which will be equal? This A will be equal. Very simple. Okay. Will be equal to what? With this means angle what? OAB. Finish. OCD will be equal to OAB. From the similarly, I can use this technique. That if this is similar to this, so this last will be equal to last. So make them equal. What is angle DCO? Angle DCO is 55 degree. So on angle OAB is what? It is also 55 degree. So thus angle OAB is also 55 degree. So all the angles we have found out, all the angles were what? 55 degree. Understood? So with this question number 2 done. Question number 1, the rest of the question you try by yourself. From tomorrow we will start from question number 3. Question number 3 is that question, okay? That ABCD is a trapezium, that question. Now you will use the similarity criterion. Over here we have done what? By Thales theorem. This time we will use similarity criterion. Okay. Okay. So today we will stop. Thank you for attending the class.